Microsoft just released a brand new Windows 11 Canary build, and if you were a Windows Insider, you may already be seeing this right now. This is Windows 11 Insider preview build 28020.1737. Even though this build may look small on surface, it's actually clearing the path for upcoming Windows features and platform changes, and that usually means something big is coming next for Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you what's new in Windows 11 Canary build 28020.173. Important changes and improvements. So let's get started. One of the improvements that's been recently introduced in the 28020 build series is related to the File Explorer usability. For example, you can now use voice typing when renaming files in File Explorer. So instead of typing the file name manually, you can simply press Win key plus H, then speak the new file name, and Windows will rename the file automatically. This is another step in Microsoft's push to bring more AI and voice power features into Windows 11. Microsoft's also improving storage cleanup reliability. The system now does a better job removing all the Windows Update files, Windows.old file system, other leftover installation data. This happens inside Settings, then System, then Scroll, and Storage. And the goal is to make sure Windows can reclaim disk space more reliably after major updates. If you ever upgraded Windows and noticed the huge leftover folders eating your storage, this improvement should help to reduce the problem. Another improvement feature in recent Canary build is Quick Mission Recovery. This feature can automatically help Windows recover if something goes wrong during the boot or updates. On some Windows devices, Quick Mission Recovery can now enable itself automatically, especially on non-managed systems. That means, if Windows fails to start properly, the system can automatically attempt recovery and repair, reducing the chances of broken installation. So that's the latest Windows 11 Canary build 28020.1737 based on Windows 11 26H1. Even though it may look like a small update, it's actually part of Microsoft's ongoing development for the future of Windows. Are you installing or not? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest Windows 11 Insider builds, hidden features, and upcoming updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.